Hello, my name is Patrick Pettit, and welcome to the Print Media Center here in Atlanta, Georgia. On today's expert talk, we want to focus on the ink train and specifically looking at setting rollers that will give us an optimum peak performance for ink-water balance on our XL106. So our first step is to ensure that the plate cylinder registration is at 0, lateral, circumferential, and diagonal. Our next step is to ensure at the printing unit we're fully integrated and we're selected 1 to 2 with Vario off. So we'll start by greasing the bearings of the roller journal itself. So the next step we want to do is we want to clean and inspect the journals on both the operator and the drive side before we insert the roller. So next we'll inch backwards to look at our stripe. So if we need to modify the ink stripe, we do that by adjusting this top one with the gray ring with the yellow coordinated with our ink form roller. So clockwise will increase, counterclockwise will decrease the stripe. And from here we can adjust ink form 4 to the plate to increase going clockwise, to decrease going counterclockwise. We hope you found that informative. Always keep in mind optimum ink stripe when it comes to your ink train. If you're looking for more information, you can contact Heidelberg at info@heidelberg.com.